Hi, my name is Neely Fisher. I'm the Flexible Chef, and I was super excited when Ninja reached out to me to introduce you to their most amazing innovation, the Ninja CREAMi. This machine helps you customize and make your own flexible creations at home, like ice creams and sorbets, even smoothie bowls for breakfast. Their CREAMify technology enables the CREAMi to break down a uniformly frozen block into an incredibly smooth, creamy texture in just minutes. Healthy or indulgent, the Ninja CREAMi can create frozen treats as unique as you are. The Ninja CREAMi has 6 one-touch programs. There's the ice cream function that processes your base into unbelievably creamy ice cream. The sorbet function is perfect for an easy, sweet treat. You can transform a can of your favorite fruit into a delicious sorbet in seconds. The light ice cream function can be used if you're looking for a better-for-you ice cream option made with less sugar. Use the milkshake function to create perfectly thick and drinkable chocolate and strawberry milkshakes. Gelato, which will create a smooth and decadent gelato. I love the rich texture of the gelato. It never fails to satisfy our family's sweet tooth. This machine, by the way, goes beyond dessert. Use the smoothie bowl function to process fruits and veggies and create delicious smoothie bowls. My daughter loves to make smoothie bowls in the morning, and this is gonna be her favorite new thing. I like to top mine with fruits and granola and more. The CREAMi has a powerful motor base, and it only takes about 90 seconds, like a minute and a half, to transform your frozen pints into creamy, delicious treats. It comes equipped with an outer bowl and lid to house your pint while you're processing, the creamerizer paddle, which transforms frozen mixtures into perfectly creamy texture, creamy pints and lids to store your delicious creations right in your freezer, and lastly, an inspiration guide with unique recipes to help you get started. I loved reading through all that amazing stuff. Okay, so let's get started. The first step into making customizable treats is starting with the base. Let's make the perfectly personalized ice cream from the Kickstarter guide. It's super easy to make a wide variety of delicious flavors and frozen treats just from this one recipe. It's kind of like a master recipe for a slew of flexible options. For this recipe, you will need 1 tablespoon of cream cheese, 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of whole milk, and 1 teaspoon of your preferred extract like vanilla or mint, or if you prefer chocolate ice cream, it's up to you. You can add the cocoa powder. My favorite thing about this recipe is you can personalize your base using any extracts that you like. You can use mint extract to create mint chocolate chip ice cream, root beer extract to create the ultimate root beer float experience, almond extract for toasted almond flavors, and even strawberry or raspberry flavoring to create fruity options as well. If you want to further customize this recipe, you can make it dairy-free. That is one of my favorite things to do, and you could use oat milk or coconut cream. So for our recipe, first you're going to microwave the cream cheese for 10 seconds. Then add your sugar and vanilla extract. Mix everything with a whisk until the mixture looks like frosting. Slowly whisk in the heavy cream and milk until fully combined and the sugar has mostly dissolved. Then just pour your base into an empty creamy pint, place the creamy lid on the pint, and freeze for 24 hours. The pint might seem frozen and ready before the full 24 hours, but the temperature of your base needs to be between 9 degrees Fahrenheit and -7 degrees Fahrenheit, which is much colder than the freezing point. So basically just be patient, it'll be ready the next day. For best results, just follow the freezing tips found in the very clear inspiration guide. It's so simple to use the Ninja CREAMi. Once your pint is assembled and ready to go, all you gotta do is plug in your unit, press and hold the latch on the top of the lid, and then insert the paddle into the bottom of the lid. Release the latch to secure the paddle. The paddle will feel loose when installed. Then place your pint into the outer bowl. Position the tab of the lid just slightly to the right of the outer bowl handle so that the arrows on the lid and handle align. Rotate the lid clockwise to lock. Place the outer bowl on the motor base with the handle in the middle of the unit. Twist the handle to the right to raise the platform and lock the bowl in place. Select the program needed for the recipe. Once complete, the unit will stop running. Detach the outer bowl and pint from the base of the unit and you're ready to scoop and serve. This is seriously so creamy and decadent. I'm gonna add some sprinkles as a topping for a little extra sweetness that my kids will love. I love this machine. I love that I can create unique, customizable recipes, make them flexible, make them my own, and please my kids, making them delicious ice cream sorbets and treats. If you're looking for more recipe inspiration, have questions about the Ninja CREAMi, or want to purchase more CREAMi pints, visit us at ninjacreami.com and join our official Ninja Foodie family community on Facebook.